Assalamualaikum children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today again we are back with English subject. You can see on your screen. Let's revise it. What is our topic today? Let's revise it. So today we are going to revise all the capital and small letters. You can see here, write the missing pairs. The first one has been done for you. You can see the letters here. Capital letters and small letters together. So we have to write missing letters today. Are you ready? Let's do it. See here, you can see first capital A and small a. It is written here. Capital B and small b. It is written. So we have to do the next one. See here. Before D, which letter should come? C. So let's write here. Small c, capital C. Okay. Then D. D after E. E elephant. E after F. Small f, capital F. Okay. After F, G. Small g, capital G. Okay. After G, H. After H, I. After I, J. Small j, capital J. Okay. After J, K. After K, L. Small l, capital L. After L, M. After M, N. Small n, capital N. Okay. After this, after N, O. After O, P. Small p, capital P. After P, Q. Small q, capital Q. After Q, R. After R, S. After S, T. Small t, capital T. After T, U. Small u, capital U. After U, V. After V, W. After W, X. Small x, capital X. After X, Y. Small y, capital Y. After Y, Z. So this is your letters, capital letters and small letters together. So it is a missing letters, missing pairs we have done today. So do it at home also, children. Thank you all.